Thank you so much for your love and support. And once again, we are back with another question, and that question is regarding the PV/PVC. So, if you are not aware about the PV/PVC and the return policy, I must advise you to watch my one of the playlist regarding PVC and storage class. So you have a little clear cut understanding about the things and the policy. Because if you messed with this question, then it is very difficult to come out and solve properly. So I advise to watch that video so that if something happened mistakenly, then also you can able to solve this question. So or related question. So what the question says: a deployment name web app in the front namespace already running, but it does not persistent storage. So this is deployment which is running. It is not related with that in PVC. So create a persistent volume claim PVC name web PVC in the front end namespace with this much capacity. Use the existing retained persistent volume. There is only PV. Modify the existing deployment. Now it's your turn to modify this deployment and mount this volume and that PVC, so that mount the existing deployment to mount the PVC 8. So you have to make this deployment to use PVC and apply that YAML to the cluster. Okay, so you can do it. Apply the updated deployment to the cluster. So here it is saying that you just first take this in YAML file and then edit and then apply. Or so let's get started, because this is a blank scenario, a blank environment, no scenario is ready. So first we have to make ready. So here I already given the step. So namespace creation. So you can create via YAML, or I can just simply create with the imperative command, and this is created. And now second, created a persistent volume web PV. So I just copy via PV. I'll just paste it. So here it is written that MNT data web, this directory must exist on. So you need to create this directory in. So just dir, just go to the elevate your position so that it is in administration. And now you can which directory to create is /empty/. So just exit and control L, apply. So PV is created. So just check the PV status. PV. So here status is available and policy is. So for this two thing, I advise you to watch this tutorial mentioned in the comment box. You have a little more clear understand. So now create a Nginx deployment. Don't worry till here, because it is already deployed. Things are already deployed. Now get hyphen. So it's so great. Now this is your setup. Now you have to solve question. So first step, a deployment name web is front end is already running, and here update. So I'm make it bigger so that you get deploy hyphen front end is web app. So here is the so take it in YAML file, backup deployment. Great. I'll take 2, and in second touch I'm making modification. Okay. So first here create a persistent volume. So I'm creating a persistent volume claim. So how do we create? Just write PVC. Every link is given. So this type of link is already given with you. So just click that, Control F, FEEDBACK, and here you will find the persistent volume. Finding the right thing on the time is very important for you. So just copy it and create a P. Now paste it, and you will find so many things is missing. Which thing missing? So many. If one thing is missing, then also you are missed. Namespace is mentioned, so you need to mention that namespace is content end. And then storage class is manual. I will let you know where the storage class is. But if it is manual, then it is manual. I am writing because it is in the PV, or if it is not in the PV, then you can remove it also. And this access mode also should match with the PV. And that resource request, and this storage already given, which is 250 MB. My laptop is getting very slow. WQ. So we need to confirm access mode and storage class name. Describe. So web PV is here. Read WO means read write once, and storage class is manual. So we had checked this thing. Now our PV is good to go. PVC is good to go. Once again we'll check, we missed something. So name is not mentioned. We had forgot to mention that. So name it web hyphen. So everything is good to go. Now we'll apply hyphen app pvc dot yaml. Front end is not. Oh, sorry. I had mistakenly write front end hyphen is inserted. So I will correct that. This type of things mostly happen in exam. So be careful. Write you should always make a habit of copy paste so that everything goes good. So now get pvc. I'll make control L. Now get front end get. Here it is status goes to very good, and this is also get to bound, and this persistent volume claim web pvc. Okay, so persistent volume web front end web to claim name this. So very good to go. Now our turn is we need to change this YAML file. So we have already backup that YAML file. Now edit that YAML file, backup deployment hyphen touch.yaml. We need to add a volume mount and PVC claim. So most of the time on the time we forgot that where to put. Okay, so I will give one command so that you can easily take care where these things are, because kubectl is very good command, but I have amended that little tweaks. Just here below the name I always put that volume mounts and name of, you can, if nothing is given you can give your, but if name is given then you should write that one. Here name is not given, so I am just adding what I want, but this name should match with the claim volume mount match to the volume. So where volume is in this range, here in container, here in spec section. So at last I'll define here volume, then hyphen, and this should match with that name, and here persistent volume. This is must require claim, and that claim name is this I remember, but you can just control F and volume claim. Here you can check volume, this type of, you can copy it and paste it there. So I hope I had not made a mistake. If I had made a mistake then it will not save, it will save as a temporary file. Okay, sometime if